This video is about addition reactions to conjugated dienes. Any of the addition reactions mentioned in the prior videos can be done on conjugated dienes. However, conjugated dienes will give mixtures due to resonance. Think about it. Let's take this 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene and we add hydrochloric acid to it. All right. The first addition, of course, will be a proton to the terminal carbon to give you the most stable carbocation. However, there's possibility of resonance with the second double bond. If this occurs, we now can end up with a 1,2 addition or a 1,4 addition of that chloride to give you these two chloride products. Now, of course, as you can see, the product with the most stable carbocation will have the higher yield. So when it comes to predicting what your product is going to be if you have a diene, assume that the nucleophile is going to add to the most stable carbocation, whatever that may be. Now, also remember that if we're adding something reactive that reacts with double bonds, odds are it will probably react twice, as there are two double bonds. But remember that because of the resonance mess, you will probably end up with a mixture of products. So long story short, avoid basic addition reactions onto conjugated dienes because you are more likely going to end up with a mess. But assuming you really required the major products in these reactions, what do you believe they will be? You may pause now. And here are the answers.